I always knew I wanted to do criminal justice. I am kind of biased. I used to watch a little bit of shows, but I knew I wanted to help people, and I really wanted to use my brain while doing it.
I think what makes our program unique is that the students are exposed to the whole gamut of the criminal justice system. It's just not one aspect. I mean, like I said, they'll get the introduction, they'll get the corrections piece, they'll get the law enforcement piece, they'll get the crime scene piece. We have guest speakers come in as often as I can get them in from all walks of the system, so they get that perspective as well.
Well, we started in the beginning of the year with law, so we did kind of court stuff, and I know we went into basics of policing, traffic stops, we did crime scene investigation, processing with that. We did handcuffing and defensive tactics.
My favorite part of the class was definitely the forensics part of it. That is something I'm really interested in, so being able to actually be here and do a little bit of that every day was something so incredible.
I thought I knew what I wanted when I came in here, but there's so many opportunities that you get at Auburn that I didn't even know were possible. So it's really prepared me, I feel like, for outside high school.
After high school, I want to go to college to get my bachelor's degree in forensic science, and then after that go into the work field with forensic science.
You're going to know at the end of the 2 years whether this is something for you. I would highly encourage it. If you think you want to do it, come in, take the class, and then you'll know after 2 years if it's for you or not.